Welcome, friends and neighbors, to The Late Show. I'm your host, Stephen Colbert. Ladies and gentlemen, how are you guys? Good?
Yeah, doing good,
Very
man.
good?
Doing good, yeah.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Folks, I try to remember not to be in Washington, D.C. as often as possible. But there is certainly no time I am there less than the weekend of the White House Correspondents' dinner, which is why this Saturday I will again not be. But, and it's a big but for reasons that are not clear to me, many others will. If you're not familiar with the White House Correspondents' dinner, it is traditionally a lighthearted night when the press and politicians get together and, in my personal experience, stare in dead-eyed silence at the performer while the president mentally orders a hit by SEAL Team 6. And this Saturday's dinner will be historic because this, for the first time as president, Donald Trump is attending. And reportedly, in his remarks, he's planning to attack the press and target publications he is accused of writing negatively about his administration. No, all you reporters are enemies of the people. I hate you all. And if you call me, I will pick up every time. Seriously, anytime, night or day. I'm telling you, I will do that. I will, if I'm anywhere, if I'm on the toilet, if I'm having dinner, if I'm having dinner on the toilet, okay? That's a real time saver, folks. The word is, after he rips the press corps a new one, Trump is going to immediately leave, so he will miss the annual presentation of the press awards. I'm not going to understand why he's going to dip, because one of these awards, and this is true, is going to the Wall Street Journal for its scoop about a certain birthday pube doodle for Jeffrey Epstein, as well as another award for the photojournalist who took this picture of that time a man had a medical emergency right there in the Oval Office, and Trump just stood there like he was waiting for a bus. It's so crazy that he didn't help, especially now that we know that he is a doctor. He's right there. It was right. Nice. Oh, nice. So generous. Contrary to tradition, this year no one will be roasting Trump because instead of a comedian, the White House Correspondents Association hired mentalist Oz Perlman, seen here foreseeing that you are not going to like it when he honks your boob. Today, Perlman hinted that Trump won't just be watching but participating in his act, saying reading Donald Trump's mind is arguably the most impressive thing you could ever do. Really? Really, reading his mind? When has he not immediately just blurted out whatever's rattling around in his skull? I bet you can't read my mind. What number am I thinking of? 3. Turning. Reading his mind. Okay. Turning to the war with Iran, we have breaking news. That there is no breaking news. In fact, there's nothing going. There are no negotiations currently ongoing, and Iran says it is impossible to reopen the Strait of Hormuz amid flagrant ceasefire breaches, and Trump has doubled down by also closing the Strait of Hormuz, posting, "We have total control over the Strait of Hormuz. No ship can enter or leave without the approval of the United States Navy. It is sealed up tight until such time as Iran is able to make a deal." He's saying the exact thing that they are. They're both saying the same thing. I'm rubber and you're rubber. We got 2 rubbers. Whatever bounces off me, then bounces off you, then bounces off me again, and it goes back and forth like that for a while. And I'm sure you're asking, shouldn't there also be glue in this metaphor? No, because I sniffed it all. High as a kite. High as a... Despite closing the strait himself, Trump is trying to clear out Iranian mines that are out there. And also, the Iranians are putting boats out there to lay some more mines, and Trump has said, I have ordered the United States Navy to shoot and kill any boat. Yes. He said kill. Sounds strange, but it was the plot every week on the hit mystery series, Murder, She Boat. So good. Lansbury, amazing. In a phone call with, it was the Fox News? In a phone call with Fox News, Trump said about the war, people say I want to get it over because of the midterms. Not true. No time frame, no rush. Yeah. What's the rush? It's like General Sherman famously said, war is chill. Yeah, just take your time. Take your time. You know who would like some kind of time frame for the end of the war? Everyone else. Because thanks to Trump's blunder, the world's biggest airlines are canceling flights as they face jet fuel shortages and rising prices. One carrier really affected by high fuel costs is Spirit Airlines. You know their slogan, Spirit Airlines, you are allowed one carry-on to use as the bathroom. Yeah, because you're not gonna wanna go in there. Spirit is on the verge of liquidation, but reportedly they're in talks with the White House for a bailout. And if it goes through, the U.S. could end up owning 90% of the struggling budget airline, which led one analyst to say, I guess it would be the Amtrak of the skies. Someone say Amtrak? Hey. Hey, what's up, Barack? He's a good guy. Good guy. Somebody say Amtrak, because I am back, Amjack. There's already an Amtrak in the sky. It's called Heaven. I'll be in the dining car with Jesus Christ, Jimmy Carter, and one of the Catch and Jammer kids. Other one's in hell. He killed a guy. Come on, train. Jill.
Oh, no.
Jill.
Oh, no.
Barack. There's an update. There is. There's an update. There's an update about Health Secretary RFK Jr. This week, Bobby has been testifying before Congress about slashing HHS's new budget. But before I talk about that, I gotta tell you that according to a new book about him, he once sliced off a dead raccoon's penis while his wife and kids waited in the minivan. He took the genitals so he could, quote, study them later. Ah, yes, day 20 of observing the raccoon penis. It appears that it is still impossible to understand why I did this. Anyway, old Secretary Weenie Slicer is in charge of your health, and yesterday, the Senate Finance Committee grilled him about his role in recent measles outbreaks.
I'm not anti-vax. I've never been anti-vax. I've always said for 20 years I'm not anti-vaccine.
Now that statement right there is what scientists call a lie, because in the past, you can check the record. Did we check? We did. In the past, he's falsely claimed that the measles vaccine does not appear to provide maternal immunity. It includes aborted fetus debris, and that protection from the vaccine wanes very quickly. So he's claiming he's pro-vaccine is a major U-turn, which is also what Bobby does whenever he sees a raccoon penis in the road. Get that minivan, he jackknifes that minivan. Wait here! Somebody beat me to it. Obviously, he's trying to appear reasonable in front of Congress just there, which is a big ask for a man who looks like he has a disease called the teriyaki madness. But the weirdest part of RFK Jr.'s hearing wasn't what he said, it's what he breathed. Listen to the health secretary on the mic while being questioned.
The most significant things that you have done among the many that you described in your testimony. In that context,
Is that a good sign when your health secretary breathes like a walrus snorting lobster bisque? If he sounds like a bear getting autoerotic asphyxiated? Like he's the first person in history to need a CPAP while awake? Longtime viewers of The Late Show know that sound means we have news about fish doing drugs. Because in a new study, salmon exposed to cocaine traveled almost 2 times farther per week than the control group. And they were 3 times more likely to start a band. Here's the scientific way they got the fish cranked on the powder. Researchers took 105 wild Atlantic salmon, exposed them to cocaine, then tracked their movements. And I'm told we have a statement from the leading scientist.
Say hello to my little fish.
We got a great show for you tonight. My guests are Senator Elizabeth Warren and musician Michael Stipe. And when we come back, I reveal my